very first thing, like the highlight of your personality is empathy.
Yes.
Empathy.
Empathy. Yes. Yes.
Huh? You can empathize
Yep.
with people at your lows, irrespective of you are down. You will still make time for people who are finding, lows in their life, or you would listen to people. It'll not, अरे मेरा ही झंझट चल रहा है तेरा क्या सुनूं? It'll never be like that. Okay, so empathy is your highlight. So yeah, empathetic is a quality which very rare women owe. Okay, so you are one of the rare women. Alright?
Thank
So,
you.
right. First is empathy. Make a
Hmm.
column, strength ka, write empathy.
Got it. Huh.
ठीक है? Second is charisma. You know your vibe is going low, you will not sit back at home. You will make sure that there is some energy or activity happening around you so that you are not getting into isolation. So that is helping you stay charismatic for whatever days you have. Okay, it be good day, it be bad day, it be pathetic day, stressful day. One day max. Second day you are on your toes. Okay, and this is also a very unique personality. Not everybody can do it. They will sleep on their beds for like days and days and cry and crave and get into depression. You are not like that. You will make sure that you will self motivate, you will make sure that there is energy flowing in your body and you will get out. So that will get a lot of charisma on your face. Always talking, always gelling. मेरा जो भी चल रहा है, let's get out, no other people, so that I forget what's happening in my life. Okay, that is second quality. Third is leadership skill. Working under somebody is always going to be irritating for you. Alright, so you will excel more when you get authority. Okay, you will take up more responsibility if you get authority. If you don't have authority, only taking responsibility is frustrating for you. Okay, so till the time you are working on executive level, assistant level, you will always have that cranky mood. Okay, back of the mind, not in front. But the moment you get a promotion where you are the manager, you are the leader, you have to lead a team, you will excel in it. You will manage the team, you will delegate things, you will be on top of your energy with hell lot of ideas. But if you have to work under anybody, you will slog. है ना?
So true.
Okay,
Good. Good. Good.
so
Yeah.
good to know you. So good to know this at this point of time where you have started your own work, where you told me that you are training management trainees, then taking
Yeah.
sessions. That is like I owning my work. I will be the highest
Exactly.
creative.
Yes.
I will be the most creative, the most insightful, the most highly qualified. But if I have to do the same
True.
thing under somebody, nah.
Absolutely not. It has sucked.
You put in the energy in me. I am not getting that energy for you.
And I also happen to doubt someone's knowledge and insight that they are giving me as a manager or a leader.
uh,
Like, why are you even telling me that? I already know it. You don't need to. I do better job than you.
yeah, yeah. That's Ashmata. Fourth, which I can swear even in my sleep, effective communication. Like good verbal language, good body language, any type of communication, you're very clear about it. No wrong signals, no wrong words, I mean, you can't fumble in anything when you're communicating something. Right? At least you have learned it probably the hard way, but your communication skill ka game is on point. Always. I've seen that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Uh,
So, effective communication is about good communication or communicating what's going on with your, like, what?
effective, see, communication and effective communication are two different things. If your makeup is not good, okay, and I
Hmm.
being the one who is supposed to comment, I can just go, "ये क्या चुड़ैल लग रही है?" This is one way of saying it. Other way of saying is, let me help you fix few things. You know, I want to say the same thing. कि तू, you are not looking appropriate. All right. But this is how you talk. Like, effective communication is not hurting the other person, still conveying the message, and you would know
Communicating.
what kind of vibe you want. You want to hurt the person, you know how to hurt the person. You want to make it sound good, you will make it sound.
Dipali, you just gave me a flashback.
You know?
Oh yeah.
So it's like some people, even if they try, they can't do these switches. Some people are too blunt, too straightforward. You tell them to sugarcoat something, they don't have the vocab only. Got it? They do not understand tonality. They do not understand, verbal communication, verbal ethics. No, so with the right kind of people, you know how to talk right. With the wrong kind of people, you can manipulate your sentences. So that is effective communication. Okay.
Got it.
Fifth is visionary thinking. Visionary thinking is like, whatever you are doing right now, you will have plans for future. It's not like शुरू करके देखते हैं बाद की बाद में. It's not like that. If I have to start something, I have to see the future. कि कुछ तो हो सकता है in future. Then only I would start. Otherwise, why to start? है ना? No time pass things. If I don't know anything about the project, I will not start the project. I will learn and come, so that I'm not sounding stupid. I'm not the dumbest in the team. Okay. I would make sure that I am, I have the right insights before I start. Alright. So visionary thinking is when you start something, you will make sure that 10 steps forward, this is the goal. I can achieve it, not achieve it. How can I achieve it? Achievable, not achievable. Achievable, I will start. Not achievable, I'll learn and come. Right? Visionary is planner, basically. Who can plan, who can see future, forecast something, the judgment skill of yours. Okay. Sixth is altruism. ALT, like ALTRUISM.
Right. Just what
Okay.
is it? New word.
Genuine desires to help others, alter someone's life. Okay.
Very prominent.
है ना?
Leaving my side aside, parking me aside, and then going and minding people's business.
आगे लिखा है, often putting the needs of others before your own.
Yes. Agreed.
है ना?
Followed on my face. Yeah. Oh yeah. True.
True. So these are
Great,
highlights. These are highlights of your main character, which you can use in your job. You are empath, you can become a counselor. You can become a very good teacher. You can join NGOs. You can be a part of social work. This is how you understand ki, acha, this is my nature. I should work with my nature. Against my nature, if I go, I will struggle.
Right.
समझा?
समझा.
चलो कितना बताया? 6, 7 हुआ ना? 6 हुआ.
6 हुआ 6.
You are going to love weaknesses also.
क्या?
I said you are going to love your weaknesses also. The moment you get to know. Okay. List 4-5 things of your weakness.
Okay. Too much feeling oriented. Very much feeling oriented. Okay, like
overwhelming types.
Thinking from my heart more than my head. So yes.
I'll tell you the right word for it.
Okay. So, like you can say, very sensitive, feeling-oriented thing. I don't know whether it is my quality or it's my weakness. Just a minute. So, feeling-oriented. Second, I was about to say something. I'm way too very organized. At times
OCD, you mean?
Not OCD. I'm way too organized. Sometimes I want to do things to the T.
Perfectionist.
Probably, but not that much. Like, yeah, organized to the T, deadline oriented.
आएगा.
हाँ. Go here. Third, Yeah, I over communicate. Like that's
Okay.
one thing. Like I over communicate. Mm, I actually at times become very. I don't become, but I am to be seen as very specific and dominant. I don't know.
ठीक है, it's all right.
That's
And that's not your
yeah.
weakness. People are afraid, scared, insecure about your confidence. It's okay. That's not
Yeah,
them.
like very very specific and dominant. Both both तो बता दिया weakness और क्या है ऐसे बहुत है मुझे अभी स्पेसिफिक वर्ड्स नहीं
It's
मिल
okay.
रहे
It's
ऐसे
okay.
तो बहुत है
Chalo, we'll start.
um,
Over,
yeah
over feelings and over was overthinking.
overthinking oh yes I was about to tell you अभी मेरे दिमाग में आया था yeah overthinking too much overthinker like
Too much.
you know it's not even existing I create the mindful existence yes absolutely
You know. Second is
yes
very easily distracted.
trust me
Oh God. Yeah. It's not about external distraction also. I'll tell you about internal distraction. You will start thinking of one idea. You are in that zone of accepting ideas and you will load yourself with so many and you're not journaling it that you are forgetting old ideas. Like skip ideas. अरे अभी तो कुछ तो याद आया था कितना अच्छा था and the moment you're thinking of something else, you'll 100% forget about अरे यार कितना अच्छा idea. I should have written something. है ना?
yes agreed
It is like constant ideas, constant creation of something that distracts you. You're doing something and something strikes and you are like daydreaming. And then you're like, अरे आधा घंटा निकल गया, I'm supposed to make a presentation. है ना?
true
है ना? Or you are listening to some speech, like a very beautiful speech, and you want to listen to every bit of it, but the very first point of yours took you to some other journey and you've forgotten the speech is going on, like half an hour missed.
like it has to be A, B, C, D, and that A will take me to A1, A2, A3, A4. Yes. True. Very true.
है ना? So distraction need not be external, like somebody trying to distract you, but you will have loads and loads of things in your head which would distract you. So in that case, you can start journal. You journal, I know, but then there are different ways of journaling things and different books for different journals. So
True.
so you can journal. You can keep a book with yourself, like a legit book and pen with yourself, not your phone where you are typing. The time you would take to type, you would distract yourself and you'll forget. If you have a pen and a book with you, you'll always write. Okay. Third is sensitive to criticism. कैसे बोल दिया मेरे को कैसे बोला
Sorry.
मतलब मेरे को कैसे बोल दिया मेरे को कैसे बोला क्यों बोला Who are you?
think
Do you
this is-
qualify?
I think I'm having my yesterday's conversation conclusions here.
Oh God.
yeah, true.
है ना? But that criticism can also, for some time, submiss your confidence. If the criticism, criticism coming from random people might not even affect you, but coming from somebody who is very important to you, but you've not probably told them that whatever you speak, लगता है, makes a lot of difference in my day to day, whatever I do, and if that person talks अरे जोक था मस्करी था ऐसे में भी अगर बोल दिया ना तो it can spoil at least hours of yours, like how did that person do that, why did it wasn't needed.
Yeah, true.
Very sensitive to criticism, you cannot just control all delete नहीं है है ना.
No.
You're writing.
I am.
हाँ. Fourth is tendency to procrastinate.
Ask me. I mean, I knew what I had to do in my life, what I'm doing at this moment. I knew this 4 years back also. I genuinely knew this.
Ask me, I started Learners Cafe in 2017 and legit work is starting right now. So my procrastination has lost limits.
Visionary thinking.
Too perfectionist. ट्राइपॉड आएगा तो वीडियो बनाऊंगी.
Yes, right.
कंटेंट नहीं चलेगा.
वो एक भी चीज का जुगाड़ जब तक नहीं होगा तब तक लर्नर कैफे चालू नहीं करेगा.
Oh God. आएगा. हाँ. Next, struggles with conflicts.
So what does that mean? I need a specifications here.
So you know the other person has an opinion, okay, which does not go with your personality, okay. You will avoid confronting. थोड़ा टाइम जाने दे, थोड़ा टाइम. I know what the person is going to talk, but let me calm down and come back. Let me come. पता नहीं what would be my reaction to it. You know, avoiding confrontation.
दीपाली तूने बहुत सही टाइम पे मेरे को गोची दिया. Okay, yeah, true.
है ना. This need not be the avoidance need not be uh, to avoid your response or reaction to the conflict. It can also be कि थोड़ा टाइम निकल जाएगा ना, तो probably we might not have a conflict on this topic. Probably it might go on a smoother level and there'll be harmony. Okay, so majority
yeah.
time,
Yeah, of course, yes.
है ना, majority of the time it would be like, let the time go,
Yeah.
let's not talk right now. Not in the right frame of mind, not in the right mood. My moods are swinging. Let's not talk about this right now. Let me calm down. I will come back. Something like that. है ना. Struggling with the conflict is not confronting that moment so that भाई झगड़ा करके सब खत्म नहीं हो जाए. है ना.
Yeah, I need space to recharge, come back with a lot of clarity, and then I will just get back and jump to that conversation. Yes.
So here we complete our weaknesses. Okay. So if you check all of them, okay, all of them are connected to emotions. Clearly emotions. One more, difficulty with routine. When you'll plan something, you would want to do something, you might do it for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and then the routine is gone. Because you know, okay, I set a routine, I can achieve my goals. Right now, if I'm not that driven, it's alright. I can lose on my routine, it's alright. When I'll get that drive, probably I will come back to my same posture, my same health, my same mental stability. Right now, let's just go with the flow. Okay. So a disciplined lifestyle or a disciplined work pattern or a monotonous living is not your type.
Okay, but there has to be like what do I say? A pattern to overcome this, to strengthen. To what
Of course,
will
these
be
are your
your
weaknesses,
advice?
right? So there are ways to stop overthinking. How to not let yourself distracted. How to not take everything on yourself. Like criticism is criticism. लोग बोलते रहेंगे. How to give yourself a story that it should not affect you. Okay. How to create a routine. How much can you compromise on that routine. This everything will have some or the other solution. Okay. So solution का session we'll have some other day. Where we'll discuss everything, and then we'll discuss about to-do list, we'll discuss about vision board, we'll discuss about planners,